Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today we're
going to be coloring eggs. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is vinegar, water, hard-boiled eggs, rice,
and
colored pills. So first we're going to add a little bit of vinegar in the cups.
And finished. No, what's that? Do I hold a cup for me? Oh yeah, hold a cup. No fork. I hope it not drop. Oh, it didn't drop. It didn't drop. I don't want it to drop. Okay. And finished.
And now we're finished putting the vinegar.
Now we can add water.
That's too much.
Don't you? And yeah.
Okay.
There's a little more. So
do a little bit this time. A little bit more. There we go. This one. Don't fall over it, please. A little bit more, please. There we go.
good.
A little bit more. There we go. And the last one.
Yes.
Give one more piece. Now it's time to put the colored pills.
Yeah, the color pills. Look at blue now. Ooh, it's changing.
Is that another one?
So, another one.
There we go. Now we just need to wait.
Yeah.
Now let's put the eggs.
Now let's put the eggs. I was going to put this one in.
Oh wait, we have to color the eggs first.
Yeah, we have to color them with. And then we'll put them in. Let's go in. I think we'll try. My baby. I have a baby. Maybe it's magical. It's magical. That's where you get it. You're going to see what's inside. And there.
Now we're gonna put the eggs.
As well. Another easy way for kids is to use rice, food coloring, and a little bit of vinegar.
Now we're gonna put the egg inside the rice. Now we're gonna shake it up. A little bit. Mine is a little bit of red and brown.
Mine is a little bit of green. I'm gonna put it in there.
One of these.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick pink.
And pick green.
And pick blue. That's blue.
Yeah. Well.
Pink goes out. Whoop. Yeah. So good.
Wow, this is actually purple. A little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit purple.
Good.
Look at my first one.
I'm gonna get mine too. And put mine in there.
Put mine in. Here, you want to take this one out?
Yeah.
Take a put. Oh, that's. Oh wait, I'm gonna color one.
I'm dripping it. Look, and my eggs are ready. But I need to dry something. And
I'm gonna leave mine in here for a while.
I'm gonna
Flip it around.
Sorry, Lila. I'm gonna
make another one.
Lila, I'm gonna do the pink one. Ooh, so pinky. Oops. Hey, that one's mine.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna use yours. Mine. It's a little bit pink. It's a lot red. Mix it up and mix it up. I'm gonna let it in the oil. Sort it out like it dried up and that things. So I'm gonna get another egg. Where should I put it in?
Now put this
My egg
one
is
and
good.
shake it carefully.
Good. And mix it up. Mix that one up. Dry it up. Good. I think this one's good.
Now let's check. Wow, this one actually didn't crack.
No, that's good.
These are mine.
I'm gonna put mine.
These are our final eggs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
And subscribe.
Bye guys, we're the A sisters.